Welcome to webinar activity in Felix. In this brief tutorial, we will look at step-by-step guide on how to complete a webinar. Completion of an ISQua webinar carries 2 credit points. Please note that you must watch the recording and answer compulsory questions after the recording to complete a webinar activity. The webinar page contains the information about the presenter, participants' feedback, and PowerPoint presentation relevant to the particular webinar. Please note that the fellowship questions will not be accessible until the webinar recording is watched. To watch the recording, click Play button to access the webinar link, and then click Play button to watch the recording. Once you have finished watching the recording, please click on the following link to attempt the quiz. You need to choose the correct answer for each of the multiple choice questions and submit your answers. Please note that you have to answer all questions correctly to complete a webinar activity. To proceed with the quiz, click Attempt Quiz Now button, choose the correct answer for each question, and click Next button. To alter the submission, click Return to Attempt button. Alternatively, click Submit All and Finish button to submit your answers. You will instantly receive feedback as to what questions you have answered incorrectly. Click Finish Review to view summary of your grade. If you haven't submitted the correct answers, review your answers and reattempt the quiz to complete webinar activity. Please note that all your failed and successful attempts will be recorded on your fellowship program record. Answering all questions correctly will automatically complete your webinar activity. You can click on My Fellowship page on the left-hand side of your navigation panel to make sure that the record has been updated correctly with the relevant number of points. As you can see, the webinar on medication safety and the introduction and evaluation of interventions with brionidine friendly shows on the top of ISQua content section. Alternatively, you can click on the following link to be redirected to the home page so you can choose the next activity. If you have any questions or queries in connection to completion of a webinar, please do not hesitate to contact us at fellowship@isqua.org. Thank you for viewing this tutorial.